Hello friends, this is second session of our lesson My District Class 5 EVS Studies. I am Suresh sir from St. Thomas School. Hearty welcome to you. In the first session, we have got lot of information about my district. Children, you know that our district is Bhavnagar. So we have to consider Bhavnagar district's important place and write down. Very next session, I will send PDF and remaining question answer of this, so you can edit in your notebook. One more information I would like to share with you. You can talk to me on Monday, Wednesday and Friday on allotted numbers of the school mobile numbers. So we can discuss there. If you have any doubt, any question answer sessions queries, you can talk to me. Now we will continue. Which festivals are celebrated as a national festival? In my previous lecture, I also already informed you about about 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 15th August and 26th January. Why are celebrated this, and which festival are celebrated collectively by the people? Which festival are associated with business? How does each festival differ from one another? That we have already discussed. This festival are celebrated for the national enthusiasm with great zeal and pomp. Friends, you know that it is associated with the business. Local people are preparing the flags, cap and selling in the outdoor and indoor in the market, in the shops, on the streets. Each festival is different from each other, while national festival is all together we are celebrating. Now, our next talk is about the fair, Lok Mela. It was told that regional local fairs are more interesting than any other things because we are eagerly waiting for this. Especially small kids are waiting for the months of this because they get their important and useful toys there. They get some ride there. So we have to talk about the My District's fair. In this table, the which day the fair is held or organized. You know, in Maua we have Bhutnath fair. It is organized during the Janmashtami and it is in pilgrimage place. In which English month the fair is organized during the Janmashtami? It comes usually in August or September regularly. And we have Bhutnath fair is very important because all Maua people are enjoying there. Remaining in district, Palitana's Debaria fair is also very popular. You can get more information about this. Discuss points are given there. Diversity is seen in the fair organized in your district. Yes, friends. Even though all religion people are going and enjoying the fair, it is the main diversity of our fair. All religious people go there, enjoy the fair, especially kids, get a variety of toys there. Entertainments are there, rides, giant wheel, Tora, toy shop, eating stall, everything is held there. Next is appropriate occasions list is given. Wedding card we can see in the wedding ceremony, fatal ride we can see in the fair, flower pin is used in wedding ceremony, dholak is used in fair also and wedding ceremony also. Sweets are available in fair also and in wedding ceremony also, that you can observe and tick mark yourself. You don't feel my importance of answering there, you can tick mark yourself. Now it is about the communities in your district. They earn their livelihood through the different occupation. Most of the people usually run their business by staying at the same place. Some people wander daily for their occupations and livelihood. They are called nomadic people. Nomadic means Banjara people. They roam from one to another place. They live in a tribes, nomadic tribes. It is called nomadic tribes. Then we have to collect the information of our district, name of the community, occupation, costume, woman and man, food and their tools and means. Banjara people, occupation is roaming from one place to another. Usually they sell local things. Women and men wear traditional dresses. They eat simple diet. What we are eating, Gujarati simple diet. Their tools and means, they used to take camels or donkeys for the transporting the goods. If you have more information, you can add it there. Which aspect of the life individual are affected by the professions, residence, land, food, plant, dressing, animal, birds, traditional and air. We have color in the box. Professionally, which aspect of the life is affected in our profession? First of all, we have a perfect residence. We are perfect eating the food habits. We have a complete dressing sense. So this thing we can put the color. We have a line of a survival where farming is possible. What is the need of the residence in our life? Because olden time and modern time difference is there. So we have need a one special residence. How does the occupation influence in social life? Social life occupation is influence. If we are occupied by work, we can get good style of living. What rituals are followed in a marriage ceremony in your society? That is differ from all the students' answer will come differ. Whatever marriage ceremony comes, that you can put down. Now next they have written that what difficulties have to be faced by the nomadic tribe people, because they don't have a water, they don't have education, they don't have a particular house, so they feel cold, heat. They are facing several problems such as they don't have a house, so bathing, eating, all the things are affecting them. Government is planning to have a sustained life for them. Government has put up many projects for that also we have to keep it in mind. Which grain do the people make chapati or bread at home? Wheat chapati we can make, bajras we can make. That we have to note it down. We have to tick mark there. And at last of the lesson, you can draw the picture of that. Next we will talk more about this. Till then, thank you.